Hello world, this is LockpickingDev. Today I have a 5-pin Vachette Euro cylinder. This is another Euro cylinder that I got from LockCon. Probably a lot of my Euro cylinders are from LockCon. But this one, I haven't got really good feedback on it, and I think it might be good tolerances. So let's pick it open, show what's inside, and see what's going on in there. So I'm using bottom of the keyway turning tool. Haven't really felt a whole lot. One went up, but it was really scratchy as I pushed it up too. There we go. Now one's definitely set. We got two there. Go in the back. Five. That's just me slipping off it. Those aren't getting set. There's one again. Nothing on three. On five. So I'm having a weird feeling like some of them, like two, feel stiff, but no jiggle. It's almost like like the tolerances are not the best. Go five. That felt like two again. Oh, there we go. There's her open. I poked something in the back there and we got her open. So there we go. Here's the bitting right here. It's alright bitting. It's a little bit high low there. But enough room in the keyboard, it's not that big of a deal. I'm going to cut, and I'm going to go ahead and gut this, and I'll be back to show you what's inside. We have the Vachette gutted, and we can see that it's all standard pin. I think what gave me any difficulty picking this lock was the bending was a little bit, okay, there's some high low there. And this lock was extremely dirty when I cleaned it out. I used a couple paper towels on it. Other than that, the springs are actually pretty long on it. It's got some strong springs on it, I believe. And so I think that's another thing that made this adds to difficulty, because strong springs means you have to lift it a little bit harder. There's no counter milling in the pin chambers or anything like that, though. So there you have it. That is the Vachette. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching.